10 to 5 Sunday evening, and he's playing his music. It's not as loud as it was, but I can still hear it. So I think since the woman downstairs has moved in, he's realised a little bit that potentially two people will then be saying against him rather than just being one against one. So yeah. So 6:15 and it's still going. Boom, 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 boom. And it's not as loud as it was, but it's still louder than my telly, you know? No need for it. And I wonder what it's like for the woman downstairs. The new person has just moved in. 7:05 and still going strong. Probably getting a little bit louder. There you go. Right, we're at 20 to 8 and I'm sat at my desk and I can feel the bass vibrating through. Obviously he knows that the people downstairs aren't there tonight, so all guns for me. Okay, so I've just watched him, well, I've heard the doors bang and I've watched him walk out, going from side to side, absolutely wrecked. Is he off to the garage to buy more beer and stay up late? Who knows? Let's see how it pans out. So, yeah, the letters obviously worked from the housing. So we're coming up to about 9 o'clock and he's back from the garage and the music is playing. Okay, it's 8:15 on Saturday night, 10th of November I think. And your man's got his boom boom music on. He played a bit earlier. I think he stopped, went out, got some beer and he's come back. So he might not be working tomorrow. If he's working, it'll go off about 10 o'clock. If he's not, then we could be in trouble. You know, we've got new people that have moved in downstairs. This is going to be a lot louder for them down there than it is for me up here. So I really hope he doesn't be a twat. So we're about 10 to 9 now, and bass is getting a little bit heavier. And I wonder what it's like down on the bottom floor, because like I say, no one's been living there for a while. They've just moved in, and it'd be really unfair on them. So it's 10:39. About 5 minutes ago we had a real woomph of bass, and then just now, again, a woomph of bass, and now it's stopped. Now, I've seen this guy today about 3-4 times driving my van. Never once has he looked me in the eye. And I really feel, you know, I'm kind of used to this now, although I'm not used to it. And now he's going to do this on the people down below. It's like, why hasn't he learnt his lesson? You know, what's wrong with the guy? There we go, boom, boom. Boom. I mean, if the people downstairs are hearing this, then suddenly there's going to be two people now. Dickhead. So it's 8:45 Saturday morning, and we're waking up with some dum 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 already. Obviously didn't work this weekend, so that's full throttle with the music. So 11:41, he's decided to start playing his music again. Looks like it must be his weekend off. So it seems to be playing it really loud for a few minutes and stopping, and playing something else really loudly and stopping. There you go. Bang, 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 bang. It's fucking deranged. It's actually vibrating through the table. Stopped again. Here we go again. Vibrating through my table. That is incredible noise. I mean, that is just wrong. Absolutely wrong. No regards to anyone. You know? So that's the level of my telly, and I can still hear his music over the top of that. I've had to turn that right up, and you can still hear it. I shouldn't have to have my telly up this loud to try and not succeed to cover his music. So it's been going on now for 4 hours. 4 hours. I've had to be forced to listen to his music. Yet again. So what do we do? Write another letter to the housing. They go, oh, you need to record it, you need to do this. Send me a form. So it'll go quiet for weeks now, nothing. Oh, there's no problem. Crap. It's 1:20, and it's finally stopped. There was a quick blat, and then it's stopped. How long for? I don't know. It's not working. So we'll be on it again later today, I reckon, and later this evening. So let's see how it goes. And just when you think it's over, it all starts up again. 3 o'clock in the afternoon and it's gone quiet. So I presume he's burnt himself out for an hour or two and then it'll be straight back on it again, I imagine. So let's see. So at 3:10, the new bottom neighbour's son has just left the building. So I wonder if they've been able to hear that all this morning. So I'm going to ask them. 3 minutes to 4, just had a quick 5-second loud blast of music. So yeah. Oh, it's back now. I can hear the slow bass. So he's probably going to start playing it again now. He's had a half hour or so break, hour, something like that. So yeah, back to it. So he started playing his music, and obviously he's just heard a door go, which might be people downstairs, I don't know. Might be the kid coming back, who knows. But it's just stopped instantly. Right, it's 4 minutes past 4 and he's just gone out. And for some reason he's left his car lights on. What a weirdo. So, 25 past 4. Just come wandering back into the estate with loads more beer. So we know how this evening's going to go. So he's left his car running outside. It's got no MOT, tax and insurance and shit. Letting that fucking just sit over, and here goes the music. Started with it already. What a wanker. So it's 5:30. Still left his car running. He's gone back out again. Very strange. And I have noticed the people in downstairs, so that's how he wants to play music to them. It's 7:20, and he's just come back home. And he's probably noticed that the people aren't in downstairs. So he's going to play his shit music, guaranteed. Guaranteed. 20 to 8, and he's started playing his music. So we'll see how this ends. Wanker. It's just gone 9:20 and the music's finally gone off. So that's 13 hours of music on and off. And I think he's probably gone out to the pub now. So come 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, I imagine I'll be in for some more music. Well, I spoke too soon. He's back on with a boom boom boom. So he's not going out. So just staying and annoy the neighbours. What a fucking gentleman. It's 10:15. So this has been going on since about 8:30 this morning. 12. So about 14 hours. The thing is, out here you only hear the treble. Inside, I only hear the bass. You know? So it's gone 10:30, and he's just gone out. So whether he's going out to the pub to try and find a victim or whatever he does, whether he's going to the garage, he's going to come back, who knows. So 20 to 11, and he's back with his bassy fucking shit. 11:06, and the door slammed and it's been quiet. Whether he's gone out, who knows, whether someone's come in. It's gone quiet. So I think it's just gone 1, and his music's finally stopped. I think it's been stopped for about 10 minutes now. Whether it will start again, I don't know, but I'm going to have to go to bed soon. So that's been pretty much a full day, from 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock. I'm sorry, 8 o'clock to about 12:30, 1 of music. So yeah, there we go. So it's just gone 11 o'clock in the morning. You can hear it vibrating up through the floor. Back on it again. This has got to stop because it's putting me right back where he put me, and I can't handle it. It's actually vibrating through. That's vibrations. That's fucking unbelievable. I mean, this is someone who really cares about his neighbours, huh?